Every process begins at the source, where timing matters. Freshness is protected from the very first moment. Cooling begins immediately to slow time itself. Movement never stops once harvest is complete. Temperature control protects quality before processing begins. The journey continues under strict conditions. Speed and care travel together. Consistency starts with controlled harvesting. Every batch is prepared to move as one. From here, raw harvest enters the industrial chain. The harvest now travels under controlled conditions. Freshness depends on uninterrupted cold. Processing begins long before arrival.
Verification protects the production chain.
Industry replaces open water.
Arrival is carefully controlled.
Only verified loads move forward. The factory ecosystem comes into focus. Raw material meets the processing floor. The factory prepares to receive its raw input. Coordination ensures a clean handoff. Cold storage remains unbroken. Transfer begins without delay. The exterior gives way to controlled space. Sanitation defines every surface. Every load is measured before processing. Flow replaces storage.
Preparation continues inside.
Processing now moves to its first transformation. Cleaning begins with controlled water movement. Mechanical action replaces manual handling. Rinsing removes what harvesting leaves behind. Human judgment supports automation. Moisture control prepares the next step. Clean product moves forward.
Visibility improves consistency. Order replaces randomness.
Sorting defines the product path. Preparation is complete for core processing. Core processing begins with precision. Shell removal is engineered, not forced.
Separation happens instantly.
Human checks refine machine work.
Internal cleaning follows external removal. Moisture is reduced for consistency. Uniformity prepares automation. Data supports every decision. The product advances toward transformation. Transformation protects texture and color.
Preparation defines freezing results.
Freezing locks in freshness.
Temperature transforms structure.
Individual freezing defines quality.
Visual checks confirm consistency.
Safety is verified automatically.
Only compliant product proceeds. Flow is balanced before automation. The system prepares for precision control. Automation refines what freezing prepares.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Grading defines the final product. Weight control ensures consistency. Precision replaces estimation. Automation maintains flow. Controlled transfer protects form. Systems respond instantly. Final refinements begin here. Automation hands control to verification. Precision defines the final appearance. Human skill completes machine accuracy. Uniformity is enforced mechanically. Protection is applied with restraint. Balance preserves texture. Spacing prepares for accuracy.
Counting replaces estimation.
Each portion is held in sequence. Final checks protect consistency. Precision hands off to protection.
Quality is verified under controlled conditions.
Every degree counts towards safety.
Chemical balance is precisely measured. Microscopic checks confirm quality. Only compliant product advances.
Packaging secures the product for shipment.
Automation ensures consistent stacking. Protection preserves integrity in transit. Storage maintains controlled conditions. Inventory is managed with precision.
Bring it back slow.
Dispatch completes the journey from plant to market.